for speed. Okay, speed.
That's when I push.
That's right. Speed.
Hello, today I'd like to do 2 prop demonstrations for you. The first one is the handcuff demonstration, and if I get out of that one, I'll do a how to brush your teeth demonstration. So, first of all, these are the handcuffs, and there's the keys. Key should open them. This cuff right here is jammed, so it'll be extra hard to do. So now you can see I'm not using any keys. No keys here. I'll attempt to get out of the handcuffs here. Okay, no peeking. I can't see what the heck I'm doing, so I don't know if I'll ever get out. Don't try this at home, please. Alright. Ta-da. Okay, the second demonstration is how to brush your teeth. In order to brush your teeth, you have to obtain a toothbrush. Traveling toothbrush you can take wherever you go. Obtain Crest toothpaste is a good brand. Just open up the bottle there. Place toothpaste on. Don't put too much or not enough. Now when you brush your teeth, you want to get every area as much as you can, so you want to really scrub hard, so you just go at it and get the side and the front. Make sure you get all the germs out too. And after you're done, you just spit it out. Just like that. and that, folks, is how to brush your teeth. But if you don't brush your gums as well, pretty soon you'll have to go to the dentist, and you'll probably have to get a root canal, or maybe you'll even have to get your wisdom teeth pulled like I did. And then you have to clean the holes in the back of your mouth and wash it out every day. Next time I'll be doing a 30-minute PSA, 30-second PSA.